Dodge Charger. Pushing this baby to the limit, bro. Alright, so this is a 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 pushing 300 horsepower to the rear wheels. This is the GT model, so again, this is not a V8, this is the V6. Tons of room though, and again, it's rear wheel drive, so of course we're gonna have fun in the rain today. Courtesy of Dodge, the one and only. Tons of back room out here too though. And cup holders as well. Oh, napkin. Yeah, tons of cup holders as well too. USB outlets here. We got charger over here. We got our sports mode. We got super track pack as well too. Launch control, sport mode, traction control, paddle shifters over here. And it's a 4-door sedan rear wheel drive, so you already know it's gonna be fun as well too. And you already know we are in sport mode with traction control off. Let's have some fun in the rain today, boys. And of course, I'm gonna be telling you guys how I feel about the car as I drive this bad boy. As I drive this little thing. So again, 3.6 liter V6, not a lot of power. But hey, still a lot of fun. You can easily drift and lose traction in this thing. Especially in this kind of weather condition as well too though. Like you are just losing traction. And of course, it's raining in a gray Charger. Screen got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and if we go to our performance pages, we can see what gears we're in. Because I just like how Dodge is just ballsy like that, you know? Like Dodge does what it wants, when it wants, and it doesn't care what people think. Performance page is loading, and let's go to our G-force right here. So here it shows us our speed and how much G-forces we're putting on our body. At least an rough estimate of how much G-forces we're putting on ourselves as well. And honestly, I do like this thing, bro. It's a Charger, so you already know we got some settings we gotta look into. Our average gas mileage is like 10.6 liters for every 100 kilometers, which is pretty good, not gonna lie though. And into our performance pages, let's see what the top speed of this thing was. Someone reached 172 kilometers in this bad boy, which is low-key kind of impressive actually. But then again, this thing tops out at supposedly 260 though. So we take it with a grain of salt at least. Like, because I know these cars around maybe 190 start to struggle a bit, because again the engine block might start overheating or something like that too, so they can't maintain a top speed for too long. This is no supercar, so it can't maintain the top speed for long. But then again, it's still a sports car, so you already know it's gonna be fun. That was a smooth little drift. And again, that's how easy it is to just simply break traction and just slide in this thing. Of course, gotta keep out a lookout for cops or anything like that though, but other than that, I can't complain. I would highly recommend this car to people who are slowly getting into rear-wheel drive cars, Chargers, or American muscle, because getting a V8, not gonna lie, you guys are gonna kill yourselves if you guys get a V8 too quickly. Like, you see how easy it is to break traction in a slightly rainy day like this. Just gunning it will get you wrapped around the pole, to be honest. Especially the Mustang boys as well too. So who would I recommend this car to? I would recommend this car to everybody who wants to get into a rear-wheel drive sports car, but doesn't have the experience or the knowledge or experience with high horsepower V8s. The V6 is a good alternative actually. 300 horsepower is more than enough to get you around through your daily life at least though. And since it's rear-wheel drive, it's gonna teach you a whole bunch of stuff. Like you can drive this car in pretty much all weather conditions. You just gotta be smart about it, to be honest. Don't be dumb, don't be stupid, and try to have fun along the way too. Just know that you're not outrunning any cops in this thing as well too, because honestly, don't try to drift there, because I'm pretty sure this is a busier road as well. But hey, what's not to love of a V6, man? Big brakes for like good stopping power, really good stopping power, as well as rear-wheel drive drivetrain. That's like a combination for fun, but that's just me though, at least. Well, anyway guys, take care and peace.